Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Stripe account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you create a payment link in your Stripe account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to create a payment link in your Stripe account anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that you can create a payment link with Stripe, so that way you can post it in your profile. It's basically an order checkout page to sell your products. So it's really easy to share on your social media or on your website. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Stripe dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Stripe account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to create a payment link, here on the left side, you're going to click on payment links. You can also click on this purple button here on the top right, this plus icon. Once you click there, you can click on payment link. Either way, it's going to bring you to the same place. Okay, once you click there, you're going to see all the payment links you might have already set up. If you haven't set any up, you're going to click on this new plus icon here on the top right. Okay, so here is how you can go ahead and set up a payment link. So first of all, here on the left, you're going to see these two options. So basically the payment page is going to be your payment link, or the payment option page. It's going to show how much they're going to charge, and it allows them to put their credit card information in. And then after payment is basically the success page. So you're going to want to fill both of these out. After they make their payment, it's automatically going to redirect here after payment. So first we're going to go ahead and add a product. Okay, once you add a product, you can choose quantity if you want. You can add another product to this payment page, and then you can go ahead and choose these extra options right here. So for example, I'm sending a 1-hour consultation for $700. So instead of creating a new invoice for all of my customers, I'm just going to give them this one payment link, and I can send that out to multiple customers. And here on the right, it's going to show you what the payment link is going to look like. So here on the left, it shows what the service is. Okay, you can see 1-hour consultation. And then on the right, they're going to be able to pay with whatever payment options you've set up. So for me, I have credit cards, Apple Pay, and ACH transfer set up. So it's going to show right there. Next, be sure to click here after payment. Okay, next it shows what the thank you page shows. So you can show a confirmation page, which is what I'm going to do. But if you want to redirect them to one of your other websites, especially for tracking, you can do this right here. Don't show confirmation page, redirect customers to your website. Okay, once you do that, you can go ahead and enter in the website that they're going to be redirected to. So once you set that up, be sure to click on create link here on the top right. Okay, once it's done, you're going to see the Stripe payment link right here. So you can go ahead and just copy that to your clipboard. And if you ever need to get back here to this link, you can click here on payment links here on the left. And as you can see, here is our payment link that we created in Stripe right here on the top. And then if you want to get the URL just off to the right, you can either copy URL or click on these three dots and click on copy URL. So there you have it, guys. If you're looking to create a payment link in your Stripe account, that's the easiest way. I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.